Kia ora. Play, learn, grow, whānau. It's Charlotte here. Today we're going to do a little bit of exercise, okay? Bear with me.
Come on, move and freeze. 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 Put your right hand on your left knee, your left hand on your right knee. Your knees move in and out.
In and
Your
out.
hands stay tight.
And
Now
stay tight.
keep on with your moving, but switch hands on your knees. Keep on moving in and out till we say freeze. Come on, move and 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 freeze. Put one hand across your shoulder, one hand across your back. Now jump in place. Do you like it like that? Yeah! Now switch hands across your shoulders and switch hands across your back. Now just be nimble, just be quick, just like Jack. Come on, jump and freeze. 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 Everybody shake your body from your head down to your feet. And don't stop shaking.
Shake, shake.
Until we
Shake
stop
your
the
hands
beat.
and your body.
Shake it to the east and shake it to the west.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
With my friends who are the best. Come on, shake and freeze. Come on, shake and freeze. Come on, shake
Shake it.
and freeze. Come on, shake and freeze. Put your right hand on your head, your left on someone's knee. Now turn once in a circle.
Turn in a
buzz
circle.
like a bee. Now turn the other way.
Turn
Don't
the other
let
way.
go or lose your spot. Keep turning left, keep turning right until the music stops. Come on, turn
Turn.
and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. Come on, turn and freeze. All right, you can move now.
You can move now. That's all.
Riddle time.
That's all. That's all. I hope you guys like our little exercise today. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Ka kite a popo. Whaisalote. Love you all. Bye.